AI is everywhere right now, and it's already made its way into our daily workflow in underwater imaging. Let's talk about a few of our favorite features that have made a huge difference in how we handle our photos and video. AI sharpening with Topaz AI. Recently, I came back to the boat after a dive in Grand Cayman with some amazing photos that also happened to all be slightly out of focus due to a miscommunication between me and my camera. Thankfully, I was diving with our ambassador, Gary Burns. He's become a bit of an Topaz AI guru, and he was actually able to save these photos that would have otherwise been immediately deleted. In addition to sharpening, the Topaz AI suite provides tools for enhancing resolution and reducing noise within an image. Sky replacement in Photoshop. The second way we're using AI in underwater photography is changing the way we think about shooting split shots, where the dome is half in and half out of the water. These shots often have a crazy dynamic range, and it's not uncommon for your capture to end up much too dark on the bottom and much too bright on the top. And that's where Adobe Photoshop's sky replacement technology comes in. This tool automatically finds the horizon line in your photo and drops in a new sky at the press of a button. You can use one of Adobe's stock images, or you can create your own library of interesting skies and sunsets. Before I touch on our last point, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Expanding the canvas with generative fill. Now, I do a lot of our graphics and web layout, and sometimes there's a shot that I need to expand to fill the space better or give me room to add text. And for that, I'm using the AI-powered Canvas expansion with generative fill in Photoshop. It can give you some pretty funny suggestions sometimes, but it proves useful for simple expansion of background water or distant coral reefs. Ambassador Kristina Sherk is a Photoshop expert, and I recommend heading over to her channel, Shark Pixel. She has some great content on how to use this feature. There are so many ways that AI tools can expand your creative potential. Let us know in the comments which tools have made the biggest impact on your underwater photos and video.